Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Electrical Services Inc. I just want to say thank you for everyone who keeps watching my videos and subscribing and liking it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So what I'm basically doing today is I'm going to be running this cable. This is the feeder cable. So as you can see, I have my wire called off, and I'm basically feeding through the bulkhead. Okay, I have to make it over to where I have my disconnect position. So this is where I have to end up with my cable. I'll be taking this path. Okay, thank you. Hi and welcome to my channel, Electrical Services Inc. at YouTube. This is basically my service cable that I'm going to be using to provide power into the house. This cable is 250 kc mil, rated for almost 400 amps. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Electrical Services Inc. at YouTube. Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos. Today I'm going to be installing a 400 amp disconnect. Okay. As you see, it's a pretty big disconnect, and I'm going to be installing that here. Hello to all my subscribers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Electrical Services Inc. Please like, share, and subscribe to my video. Here I'm going to be pre-drilling my holes for my 400 amp meter base. If you see here, I have my two slots for my screws here. Okay. So what I basically did is I'm going to pre-drill with my marks, and once I'm ready to install, I should be right on those holes. Okay. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Electrical Services Inc. So today I'm just going to be saying that this tool here where my cable came off of, now that I'm finished with it, I'm actually not going to dispose of it, because there's actually a fee of money that I can get back for this actual stool here. Yeah, so believe it or not, it's worth quite a bit of money. So in order for me to get my deposit back, I have to return this tool. And that's it. So please like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Electrical Services Inc. As you can see today, I'm running my feeder cables from the meter base, which is not installed yet, which is going to be around here. And as you can see, my cables, they're both the same length, which is actually in the code book. Whenever you're running parallel runs, both cables have to be the exact same length in order for it to work efficiently. So please like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and also leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. So as you can see, my cables are both inside. These two cables here are going to be my feeders from the outside meter base. These two cables are going to be feeding the panel. And you can see these two cables has almost the same length of cable. Also these two cables. And this pipe also will have to go on the outside eventually with another conduit that I have to run for the generator power. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.